She notices it before you even do. The way you try too hard, the flashy gestures, the constant need to impress. And without realizing, you're pushing her away. Most men fail this test. Today, you'll learn why. Performative behavior is invisible to you, but women sense it instantly. It's not about what you say, it's how you act. Small mistakes build distrust. In this video, we'll break down 7 key ways performative men unknowingly make women lose interest and how to fix them. Number 1. Over-the-top showmanship. Many men think showing off wealth, clothes, or gadgets will make women attracted. They believe bigger, flashier, more expensive equals more interest. But the truth is opposite. When you focus too much on material things, women sense insecurity hiding underneath. They notice effort to impress more than effort to connect. She feels it in subtle ways. The way you mention your car, your clothes, your achievements constantly. She notices the nervous excitement in your tone. She can tell when you are seeking approval rather than being naturally confident. The energy you project matters more than the actual possessions. Example, imagine a man buys the most expensive gift on a first date. He expects her to be impressed and grateful. But she wonders, is this real? Or is he just trying to impress me? Her mind evaluates your intentions. Extravagance without emotional authenticity creates doubt. She asks herself whether you are performing for attention, not being genuine. This creates emotional distance. Showmanship can also backfire socially. She may feel embarrassed around friends or family if the gestures seem over the top. People notice when actions are exaggerated. Even if your intentions are good, extreme efforts create discomfort. She may subconsciously pull away. The key is calm, quiet confidence. Let actions speak without exaggeration. If you are successful or attractive, you don't need to prove it constantly. Small gestures, thoughtfulness, or subtle displays of competence are more effective. Women respect men who don't overcompensate with material things. Confidence should feel effortless, not performative. Remember, attraction grows from emotional connection, not possessions. Show interest in her mind, her emotions, her experiences. Engage genuinely. Speak less about your wealth, more about your values, your perspective, your calm presence. That is what creates lasting impact. The principle: avoid over-the-top gestures to prove worth. Let authenticity guide your actions. Overdoing it sends the wrong signal. Calm confidence signals value naturally. She notices. She respects. She feels drawn to men who are secure without seeking approval. Number 2. Lack of authenticity. Many men believe that creating an image makes them more attractive. They act cooler, funnier, or more successful than they really are. They carefully craft every word, every gesture. But women sense the difference between performance and reality. Words can be smooth. Energy, tone, body language, even silence tells the truth. When you perform, you hide your real self. She notices small inconsistencies, a forced laugh, hesitation before answering, tension in your posture. These small cues signal something is off. Even if you speak confidently, she feels the mismatch between your image and your actual self. This gap creates doubt and lowers attraction. Authenticity is rare and powerful. Women naturally gravitate to men who are genuine. When you show real emotions, even flaws, she perceives honesty. Vulnerability, shared subtly, builds trust and connection. Authentic men don't need to exaggerate their achievements or personality. The natural flow of their energy is magnetic. Example, imagine a man constantly talks about his success, pretending everything in his life is perfect. In private, he struggles with insecurity or stress. She can sense the tension. She may like the surface story, but deep down she doubts whether he is who he claims to be. The attraction weakens. Share small, real details about yourself. Talk about your daily struggles, a funny mistake, or a personal lesson learned. Don't overshare, but let her glimpse your true personality. Show minor flaws, admit small errors, laugh at yourself. These moments make her feel connected. She senses sincerity, and attraction grows naturally. Another key point: authenticity communicates confidence. A man comfortable with himself does not need constant approval. He can express opinions, admit imperfections, and stay calm under pressure. She sees strength in this. Pretending to be perfect signals insecurity. Authenticity signals stability and self-assurance. Remember, it's not about revealing everything. It's about showing enough truth to connect. Let your energy, gestures, and words match your real self. She feels it immediately. When you stop performing, attraction strengthens. She respects the man who is comfortable in his own skin. Number 3, inconsistent behavior. One of the most subtle ways men push women away is through inconsistency. Performative men act differently depending on who is watching. Around friends, they may exaggerate achievements. In public, they might perform humor or confidence. Alone, they behave differently, quieter, unsure, or less impressive. Women are experts at detecting inconsistency. They notice when your energy, tone, or behavior shifts depending on the audience. Small gestures reveal a hidden pattern: a forced laugh, sudden stiffness, or overcompensation in one setting. These inconsistencies create doubt. She begins to wonder which version of you is real. Example: imagine a man who brags about his confidence and wealth among colleagues, but becomes insecure when texting her alone. She senses the mismatch. Even if he tries to cover it, subtle cues betray him. Women pick up on energy far more than words. Inconsistency signals that you are performing for validation, not being naturally grounded. Inconsistency erodes trust. Attraction relies on stability. When she cannot predict your behavior, it triggers uncertainty. Uncertainty creates tension, but not the kind that increases desire. Instead, it lowers comfort and connection. She begins to question whether she can rely on you emotionally. Maintain the same calm, composed energy everywhere. Your presence should feel steady, whether alone, in a crowd, or around friends. Avoid showing drastically different versions of yourself. Confidence is quiet and consistent. Stability communicates reliability and emotional control. Women respect men who do not perform for approval. Another key aspect: consistent energy builds curiosity without confusion. She knows what to expect from you, yet you remain unpredictable in subtle ways, like confidence and calmness. You do not need to exaggerate charm or humor in public. Genuine behavior attracts far more than performance. Remember, inconsistency pushes women away silently. Even small shifts in behavior reduce trust. By staying authentic and stable in every situation, you strengthen attraction. She notices the man who is grounded and composed. Consistency is an invisible form of power. Number 4, excessive validation seeking. One of the fastest ways men push women away is by seeking too much validation. Compliments, approval, and reassurance are natural to want occasionally. But when you constantly look for affirmation, it signals low self-value. Women notice this instinctively. Example: a man texts her multiple times asking, "Do you like me?" or "Am I enough for you?" Even if she answers politely, the energy feels off. She senses dependence, a neediness that reduces attraction. When approval becomes the goal of interaction, the connection weakens. Women respect men who have inner stability. Confidence comes from within, not from others' recognition. When a man seeks constant validation, he unintentionally signals insecurity. Desire drops because attraction grows from perceived value and self-assurance, not desperation. Stand firm in your worth. Know your value and act accordingly. You don't need to justify yourself or ask for confirmation. Let her notice your qualities naturally. Presence and calm confidence speak louder than repeated questions or compliments. Another example: during a conversation, a man might repeatedly say, "Am I making sense?" or "Do you like that idea?" It seems harmless, but she feels pressure. She unconsciously measures the energy gap. Attraction declines when one party seems unsure of themselves. Instead, focus on actions rather than verbal reassurance. Small gestures, thoughtful attention, or calm engagement communicates value far more effectively than words. Your behavior sets the tone. When she sees a man who values himself, she respects him more. Desire is generated through respect and independence, not through constant validation. Remember, attraction is rooted in perceived strength, not neediness. Over-seeking approval undermines your presence. A woman notices subtle cues, hesitation, repeated questioning, or over-explaining. Stop doing this. Be grounded. Let your confidence and calm self-assurance shine. She will be drawn naturally, without you asking for her permission to be valued. Number 5. Over-explaining actions. One subtle way men push women away is by over-explaining their actions. When you constantly justify what you do, it signals insecurity. She begins to wonder why you feel the need to clarify every move, every decision, every word. It doesn't inspire trust, it creates doubt. Example, you text her, "I didn't reply because I was busy with work, not because I don't care." Or you explain why you chose a particular restaurant, or why you acted a certain way in a conversation. Even if your intentions are genuine, the repeated explanations make her question your confidence. She unconsciously feels pressure and loses attraction. Over-explaining communicates a lack of decisiveness. Women are naturally drawn to men who act with calm certainty. When every action is justified, it removes mystery and signals that you are unsure of yourself. The energy shifts from confident to desperate without you realizing it. Act decisively and with calm energy. Take action without needing to explain it constantly. Silence in the right moments creates respect and intrigue. She will notice your confidence through behavior, not words. A single, confident statement often says more than paragraphs of explanation. Another point, over-explaining also reduces emotional tension, which fuels attraction. Mystery, subtlety, and measured actions are powerful. If she feels that you are secure in your choices, her respect and interest increase naturally. Over-explaining removes this subtle magnetism. Think of it like this. Confidence is silent. Neediness speaks too much. When you over-explain, you shift the energy toward her judgment and approval. This imbalance pushes her away. When you maintain calm composure, she subconsciously perceives value, independence, and strength. Remember, desire grows from confidence and decisiveness, not justification. Let your actions speak. Avoid over-explaining. Allow space for curiosity, respect, and attraction to build naturally. When you master this, she will notice your presence without you needing to convince her. Number 6. Ignoring boundaries. One common mistake men make is ignoring her boundaries. Rushing intimacy or pushing her to match your pace signals urgency rather than patience. Women notice when a man prioritizes his desire over her comfort. This performative behavior creates pressure and reduces attraction. Example, you insist on meeting too often, push for physical closeness, or try to accelerate emotional intimacy. Even subtle signs of impatience or overeagerness are detected. She unconsciously feels cornered. Attraction decreases when she senses pressure. Respecting boundaries communicates self-control and emotional intelligence. Women value men who understand space is part of connection. Being present without forcing interaction creates safety. Safety increases desire. Patience shows confidence. Rushing shows insecurity. Observe cues closely. Notice her comfort level with time, physical distance, and conversation topics. Let her set the rhythm. Mirror her pace subtly. By adjusting without overcompensating, you signal respect and awareness. Presence and patience build attraction naturally. Another example, during a date, she seems hesitant to share certain personal stories. Instead of pressing, you listen, engage calmly, and respond thoughtfully. You don't try to force intimacy or approval. She notices. She feels understood. This subtle respect makes her want to open up at her own pace, increasing emotional connection. Ignoring boundaries often comes from insecurity or desire for control. Performative men believe pushing faster proves confidence. The truth is opposite. Calm, measured behavior attracts more. Boundaries are not obstacles. They are opportunities to show patience, stability, and self-assurance. Remember, attraction thrives on respect and balance. When you rush or ignore cues, she feels discomfort and distance grows. Presence, patience, and observant behavior create trust and desire. By letting her set rhythm while maintaining calm confidence, you naturally enhance your value in her eyes. Number 7. Neglecting emotional depth. Many men focus only on image, status, or superficial charm. They think that flashy gestures, witty lines, or appearances are enough to keep her interested. For a short time, it may work. She may enjoy your presence, laugh at your jokes, and admire your achievements. But attraction without emotional depth rarely lasts. Women seek connection beyond surface-level traits. They notice when conversations are shallow, when your attention is only on impressing, or when your energy feels distant. Emotional resonance builds attachment. Without it, temporary interest fades. She may enjoy your company, but feels unfulfilled. This slowly lowers desire. Example: imagine a man who constantly talks about success, achievements, and image. He avoids discussing feelings, life lessons, or personal experiences. She smiles politely, but remains emotionally distant. She may still go on dates, but her deeper interest diminishes. She senses the absence of real connection. Ask meaningful questions. Learn about her experiences, opinions, and feelings. Listen more than you speak. Respond thoughtfully. Genuine curiosity communicates respect and value. Emotional engagement shows that you are present and invested in connection, not just performance. Another point: emotional depth also creates trust. When she feels heard and understood, she becomes more comfortable revealing herself. Emotional depth is attractive because it demonstrates maturity, empathy, and stability. Charm and status cannot replace this. Even the most confident or successful man cannot maintain long-term attraction without emotional resonance. Avoid the trap of overemphasizing image or status. Women feel when energy is only performative. Emotional connection requires subtlety. Share experiences, reflections, or lessons learned. Respond with empathy. Let her know that your attention is genuine, not performative. Remember, lasting attraction combines confidence, authenticity, respect for boundaries, and emotional depth. Charm and image may spark interest, but emotional resonance sustains it. Ask questions, listen carefully, and engage meaningfully. She will feel the difference. Emotional depth keeps her intrigued, invested, and coming back for more. Performative behavior is subtle, but it kills attraction. Stop showing off. Be authentic. Respect boundaries. Build emotional depth. Confidence grows when you act without seeking approval. If you found this useful, subscribe Stoic 95 now. The next video will reveal the one test women use to secretly decide if a man is worthy.